Chainsaw Man ending number 3. Check it out. Yo, that's creepy. Yo, why is this giving me AOT vibes, bro? This is giving me vibes like the I think was it the last opening? It was one like it was the last or one of the last Attack on Titan openings, bro. It's giving me that kind of vibe right now. I'm not gonna lie. What the fuck is happening? Bro, what is going on here? I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what's going on there. It is some beautiful animation going on though. There's a lot of beautifulness animation and not saying things of that nature going on though. I'm gonna hold you. Okay.